Are you ready to discover how Suno AI can simplify your daily tasks and skyrocket your productivity? In this short 5-step guide, I'll teach you how to master Suno AI quickly and efficiently. Stick around. Step 3 will blow your mind. Step 1. Understanding Suno AI. Suno AI is a smart, voice-powered assistant designed to help you automate tasks, manage projects, and stay organized. It's perfect for anyone looking to save time and work smarter. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to make Suno AI work for you. Step 2. Quick Setup Guide. Start by creating an account on the official Suno AI platform. Once logged in, take a moment to adjust the settings to suit your workflow. This step ensures the AI adapts to your preferences and delivers personalized results. Pro tip: customizing your settings up front will give you a better experience with Suno AI. Step 3. Unlocking core features. The key features of Suno AI include voice-based commands, task automation, and seamless app integration. Examples: need to draft a quick email? Just say the word, and Suno AI will handle it. Want to automate your daily schedule? It's done in a few clicks. This feature alone can significantly improve your productivity. Step 4. Advanced productivity tips. Suno AI can learn from your usage patterns to streamline tasks even further. Set up workflows for repetitive tasks and let the AI handle them in seconds. This is where Suno AI truly stands out. It's like having a personal assistant that gets smarter the more you use it. Step 5. Practical applications. Whether you're a student, a business owner, or just someone looking to save time, Suno AI has something for everyone. Use it to organize your projects, manage deadlines, or even simplify personal chores. Once you start exploring its potential, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. If you enjoyed this Suno AI tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Godlex AI for more tips and tutorials. Leave a comment below sharing how you plan to use Suno AI. I'd love to hear your ideas. If you're passionate about productivity and innovation, hit that subscribe button.